A video clip from an Israeli news channel has gone viral on social media after a controversial remark about India was made during a panel discussion. The debate featured Israeli Defense Forces Colonel Gabi Siboni, who stated that Israel would continue to sell defense systems worldwide. Responding to this, I-24 news channel, Israel news anchor Sharon Magal remarked that while Israel may not have a domestic production line for weapons at scale, it has India, adding that Israel has access to India's 1.4 billion people to manufacture weapons. The comment quickly drew attention online, with many interpreting it as a reference to the growing defense cooperation between the two countries. The clip sparked discussions about India's role in global defense manufacturing and its strategic ties with Israel. According to data from the Stockholm International Peace Research Institution, India accounted for 34% of Israel's total arms exports between 2020 and 2024, underlying the depth of defense trade between the two nations.